Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the fun bubble gum face in PKXD. This unique facial accessory is a popular item for customizing your avatar. We will go through the simple steps to acquire it, primarily focusing on using the gumball machine found within the game world. Getting this item is straightforward, but it does involve a bit of luck and persistence. Let's dive in and get your avatar looking extra sweet. To begin, you'll need to find one of the gumball machines scattered around the PKXD world. These are typically located in central, high-traffic areas. Once you've found one, simply walk up to it and interact to open the gumball machine interface. Each spin of the gumball machine costs 500 in-game coins, so make sure you have enough currency saved up for multiple attempts. It's a game of chance, so be ready. The bubble gum face is one of many exciting items you can receive from the gumball machine. Since it's a random draw, you might not get it on your first try. Don't worry if you receive other cool items, simply keep trying. Each attempt gives you a new chance to unlock this specific face. With a little patience and a few spins, you will eventually add this distinctive look to your collection. After successfully obtaining the bubble gum face, head over to your avatar customization menu. You'll find the new face in your inventory, ready to be equipped. Simply select it to instantly transform your character's appearance. Feel free to mix and match it with different outfits, hairstyles, and accessories to create a truly unique and playful look. Now you can proudly show off your sweet new bubble gum face to everyone in PKXD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.